Welcome back to the Organic Rose. Today we're going to make a wonderful appetizer that freezes really nicely so you can always have them on hand. If you have drop-in guests unexpected, you just pull them out of the freezer and heat them up and you're ready to go. Organic cream cheese, some nice grated Parmesan, organic whole milk, garlic powder. These are one of my favorites. Maitake mushrooms, and they're delicious. Some green onions or scallions. And these are wonton wraps. I buy these in the grocery store and they're pre-made. So you know what? I already trimmed the roots off. Let's start cutting the onions up. We're going to slice them nice and small. You know what? I need a little bit more edge on my knife, so let's get the steel out. Oh, a little bit better. Let's see. Okay, that's good enough. We still want them to have a little bit of texture. We're going to start by putting the cream cheese into the stand mixer. And we're going to add some of the whole milk to it. And I'm going to start mixing it very slowly, and then we're going to go ahead and add the Parmesan cheese to it. Let's lock this so it doesn't jump away. Okay, it's getting there. So while it's mixing, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting up some of the mushrooms. Set that over there for the moment. Maitake mushrooms have a fairly high moisture content, which is great for this recipe. We'll turn the mixer back on again. And we're going to add some of the parm to it. Sorry about that. One of the added bonuses of using Parmesan cheese is it's a dry grated cheese, so it's going to have a tendency to draw some of the moisture out, which is great. We'll throw in some of the garlic powder. And turn the mixer back on. Okay, let's turn it off now, and we're going to add the other ingredients. You want the cheese to be a nice creamy consistency. You could hear my dog barking outside, is because he wants in and get some wonton. He loves the wonton. He doesn't get them that often though. Mushroomy rooms. Okay. Let's set this down and lock it again. Okay, so let's recap really quickly. Organic cream cheese, some whole milk, garlic powder, some green onions, maitake mushrooms, And we're going to put all that in the wonton skin. The wonton skin are very thin, as you could see. We're going to set them down on the butcher block. Okay, so now I'll take a teaspoon and let's get some of this magical filling here. I'm going to flatten it out just a little bit, not too much. And we'll dab some water on it. And then we're going to fold it over into a triangle. And try to, as best you can, push the air bubbles out. Go. So these can be deep fried or they can be put into an air fryer, which is what we're going to do. And you just want to leave them in there until they get nice and golden brown. And they'll be a little bit crispy on the outside. And you can make a sauce to dip them in, or you don't have to. They have plenty of flavor just on their own. So I make sure I got all the air out of there. Because we're going to put them in the air fryer, I'm going to spritz them with a little bit of oil. Let's put them on the plate here. And this is extra virgin olive oil that we happen to make ourselves from our own olives. Quite the treat, I might add. Okay, let's go over to the air fryer. Okay, onto the air fryer, into the tray. And then we'll go ahead and open it up. Set it in there. Close it. So what I like to do is, they're almost done. I like to get this area here a little bit browner. The cream cheese is nicely melted inside. Hot melted cheese can be very dangerous. So please allow them to cool down before you start to jump into them. So there you have it, the cream cheese, mushroom, green onion, or scallion wonton, done in the air fryer. Or you could deep fry them if you choose. But they're a great thing to keep on hand, stockpiled in your freezer. You never know when you're going to have guests drop in on you. So you can open up a bottle of wine and go ahead and plate these up out of the air fryer or a regular deep fryer and enjoy it with your family and friends. I like them. They're delicious and they're good for you too. So I'll catch you next time on The Organic Rose.